new Checkerboard Vans. I've been wearing these things forever. When I used to race BMX bikes, I used to wear these. I think the checkerboard ones were the first pair I ever had. It seems like lately I've been wearing red Vans all the time. I was wearing red t-shirts. Today I actually have on some donut Vans. But what we're going to do is, last year I think it was, or this past year, Vans had a 50th anniversary. I think it was 50th anniversary where they made these checkerboard ones, but every other square, or some of the squares, were gold, and they said Vans on some of the white ones. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to mask off a couple of the squares here and there, not all of them, just a few random ones, and spray them silver, the same silver as the Porsche and the Kawasaki. So these will match, or at least kind of match a little bit, the Porsche and the Kawasaki 636, because they're both silver, and kind of customize them. And it will stick. I used to always paint on them and all kinds of stuff back in the day. Lately I haven't done that, but after I saw those 50th anniversary ones, I liked them, and I liked the gold ones, but I thought, ooh, why don't I do some with some silver squares to match the car? So anyway, that's going to be the project that we're going to do, and show you how we do it. And I'm just going to use regular, like a metallic silver. I have a metallic silver spray paint. It's a high temperature spray paint, but it matches like almost identical to the car and the motorcycle. And so we're going to use that, and it should stick just fine, because this is like a canvas. These things are almost like a raw canvas, like a painter would paint on. And so they are perfect for that, and the paint will stick. Anyway, that's what we're going to do. We're going to customize these. Alright, let's get started. Like I said, this is the closest paint that I found that matches my Porsche and the Kawasaki 636. Like I said, just any brand will work, spray paint. I'm using 3M painter's tape, which any painter's tape will work for this too, but that's what we're going to use. And we're going to mask off some of these, like I said. A couple of them, I'm just going to pick a few random ones, not too many, and see what they look like. Or actually, I'll start with just one somewhere and see what it looks like. If I like it, then I'm just going to mask off a few other ones and go from there. But yeah, look, I found a picture that I dug up of me racing bikes wearing some Vans. Checkerboard ones, hard to see. But that's them. And anyway, let's get started. Enough of that stuff. You don't even have to be very, precise with the tape. Just tear off a few pieces. We're just going to square them off and then cover the shoe with, I just use an old t-shirt to cover it up instead of like newspaper or something like that. But I'm going to start with one up here in case I don't like it as much, because I think the Vans, they do the 50th anniversary ones. I think there's the black squares are gold, but I'm going to do the white ones silver. I think that's what they do. Maybe I should look it up just to see how it looks. I forget. Ha! Here we go. Whoa. So they did black squares. They did some of the black squares. But we're going to do some of the white ones. I think some of the white squares will look better silver. That's what we're going for. But let's try one. We'll try this one right here. Alright. Here we go. that's it. Then I'll just cover the rest of the shoe, and we'll hit it with the paint and see how it looks. And then if it looks good, we'll go from there. If it doesn't look good, maybe we'll try one on the other shoe, blocking out one of the black ones and trying that, but we'll go from there. We'll start with this one and see how it looks. Alright, that was the first one. I'm going to peel the tape off and see how it looks. You don't have to wait till it's dry, but spray paint usually dries, you know, it's tacky. And it's raining here, so it's a little damp out. It's not going to dry as fast, but as long as we don't touch it, it should be fine. Just peel this off and see what we got. No, perfectly square. So, yeah, I think it looks good. I actually think I like the white square turned into silver, I think, more than I would the black ones. I think if we did the black squares like they did, I think between the black and the white, if this was black, I mean if this was silver and this was white, 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 I think it would kind of blend too much and it would look too much. I'd look like a big cross. It might not look bad, but anyway, that's what we got. I don't know if it's showing up good or not. But that's it. I think those are going to look good. And I don't know if I'm going to do as many as they did. I think I may just pick some random ones and see. But we'll do that next. We'll tape it off and we'll see how it looks. Alright, there's another one. Let's go do another one. And that's it. Let's go see what they look like. Alright. There you go. There you have it. All done. I don't know if you can see the see how well it matches or not. If you can see the silver, but yeah, matches good, matches the car, and of course the bike, both silver. Okay, you guys, that's the end of this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and be happy to try to answer them for you. If you have questions as to you know, products that I use, but pretty much anything will work paint wise on them. But if you have some questions, feel free to ask and I'll be happy to try to answer them for you. But yeah, that's it, and just hit the subscribe button below to follow me. See when I post new stuff, hit the little bell button. That'll let you know when we post something new. And yeah, put a like if you like the video. It would definitely help me out. And yeah, keep following me. Thanks, you guys.